In the world of digital forensics, having the right tools is critical. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable Paladin forensics drive using one of the simplest tools available, Balena Etcher. Before we start, you'll need three things. First, a USB flash drive with at least 32 gigabytes of space. Crucially, make sure you have backed up any important data from this drive, as this process will erase everything on it. Second, you'll need the Paladin ISO file. And third, we need the free Balena Etcher software. Let's grab the necessary files. Links will be in the description below. First, open your web browser and go to the official Samuri website at samuri.com. You will need to be signed in with an account. Hover over Software and click on Paladin. Click on Download Paladin and choose Paladin LTS. If you need to install Paladin 32, please use Rufus instead, which we have a tutorial on as well. The link will be in the description. Select your organization type and click on the checkbox before adding it to your cart. Proceed through checkout and download the latest version of the Paladin ISO. Next, we'll download Balena Etcher. Open a new tab and go to etcher.balena.io. Scroll down to the download section and grab the latest version. Okay, with both files downloaded, extract the ISO from the Paladin zip folder into a known folder. Keep this location in mind as we will refer to it later on. Go ahead and plug in your USB drive into your computer. Now, let's open Balena Etcher. This is why people love Etcher. It's a simple three-step process. First, click on Flash from File and select the Paladin ISO you just extracted. Next, click on Select Target. A window will pop up showing available drives. Etcher is great because it usually hides your computer's main hard drives to prevent accidents. Select your 32 gigabyte USB drive and click Select. That's it. Once your file and target are selected, you're ready. Click the big Flash button. This is your last chance to back anything up. Click the Yes, I'm Sure button. Now, Balena Etcher will begin the process. This whole process can take a few minutes. When you see the Flash Complete screen, you are good to go. You can now close Balena Etcher. You now have a fully functional, bootable Paladin USB. To use it, you'll need to restart the computer you want to analyze. Enter its boot menu and select to boot from the USB drive. The key to enter the boot menu is usually F12, Escape, Delete, or F10, but it varies by manufacturer. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.